Hi guys, and welcome to the third part of our series on making useful stuff from bottles. As you know, downspouts protect buildings from harmful effects of rainwater and such, but at times such systems might be too expensive, and there's no use in buying a new one for, let's say, a temporary structure that you might tear down in a couple of years. So, to make our DIY downspout that you won't feel any regret in replacing, we will need some plastic bottles. Cut off the top and the bottom part. Insert one bottle into the other and attach one another with a heated wire. We get an adjustable downspout, the length of which can be changed by adding or removing the bottles. Thus, we manage to protect the housetop, foundation and the facade of our building. From the leftover small bottle caps, we can make some nice toothbrush holders for kids. We can also make some big holders from 5-liter bottle caps. Just make a small cut in the cap. The handle will go there. Such a holder can be attached to a board or a wall. And of course we can dye it in our favorite color. If this idea seems too minimalistic, let's move on and see what else we can make. Something bigger and more exciting. First of all, cut off the top and the bottom parts of the bottle. Then insert one part into the other. Now cut off a few regular bottlenecks and one 5-liter bottleneck. Then make a few holes in the cone for the bottlenecks here and there. We insert the bottlenecks from inside of the cone, removing the plastic ring beforehand. Then snap the collar back on and secure the bottleneck where it should be. As a result, we get a neat, spacious and overall useful toothbrush holder made from leftover plastic bottles. The fourth idea I'm going to share is quite popular, but by no means less useful, especially if you don't have a camera tripod. The only problem you may face is finding an appropriate bolt, because the screw pitch is a bit different from a regular one. If you found one, then you're all set, because making a hole in a bottle cap and screwing in a bolt is no problem. Now, when setting off on a journey, a tour, or just going out, just take a bolt with you, because plastic bottles are basically everywhere. Since we've addressed the issue of traveling, let's imagine that you need to insulate some wires on the go. But you don't have tape or hot melt glue at hand. In such a case, a lighter and a plastic bottle cap can be of a huge help. Just heat the cap until it starts melting, and start wrapping the plastic around the wire. As a result, the insulation is firm, a bit flexible and waterproof. So, if you want me to show how to make a juicer from plastic bottles, press the like button and follow me on Instagram. The link can be found down below. We'll meet you there. See ya!
Пока-пока!